Hi guys, I've had an idea and I'm going to make a couple changes to the YouTube channel. It's pretty minor really, but I had two playlists going, one for our regular episodes and the other one was shop updates. I've put a couple little quick things on there, but really a lot of that stuff I can roll into the regular episodes in a little bit more detail. So I'm changing the shop updates into answers, and it's questions and answers for what comes up regularly on the videos and some of the conversations that I have with you guys on YouTube and email, on Facebook, other social media platforms, and just things that I may not have explained too well, or I could definitely explain in better detail in a short episode dedicated to that topic. So these are just going to be a couple minutes long, and we're going to start them right away. So I hope you like it. If you have any questions or comments, put them wherever you possibly can. I'll respond to them, and I'll make videos of the ones that really need that extra in-depth response to them. So I hope you guys like it. Take care. Bye-bye.